Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make digital art illustration or digital illustration art like this. Few days back, I posted a picture on my new Instagram account. Do follow that account. I'm gonna post all of my YouTube updates on that account. Link is in the description, so do follow. So I posted a picture on my Instagram account. So I thought, let's do this. Let's make a video on how to make this on PicsArt in the easiest way. So let's start.
Welcome to my voice over. Say hi to Billie Eilish. सबसे पहले open PicsArt. Select edit your photo. Choose your favorite picture. Go to fifth last option, that is draw. Select your favorite color, black maybe, and then set your brush size up to 9 and start bordering your image. After bordering your image, start with your detailing like your t-shirt's collar, then your t-shirt's crunch to make it look more realistic. Not realistic, it's an illustration, but make it look perfect. Then here comes the trick part. Select the slide option on the top, take an empty slide and drag that down in the middle. Then go to color option, select your t-shirt color and start coloring your t-shirt. Then take a lighter or darker shade than your t-shirt color and color your collar. That's a tongue twister. Then select the eraser option, rough any excess. If you're not perfect like me, I'm sure you must have gotten out your colors. Then rough it, we want the perfection. Rough it, rough it, rough it, rough it, rough it, immediately rough it. Then select another empty slide and drag that down. अपनी border वाली slide सबसे ऊपर होनी चाहिए और normal image वाली slide सबसे नीचे. बस बाकी बीच में कुछ भी हो. Then choose your face color and color your freaking beautiful face. You can also undo if you went something wrong, if you did something wrong. The button is in the upper left corner. Once we are done with our face, neck के लिए choose the lighter or the darker shade than your face to make it look cool. After that, go to the slide option, hide the face wali slide and select the border wali slide, that is the uppermost slide. Then select the black color and start bordering your hairline and make chashma if you have, only if you have. You don't have to do it ekdam perfectly, but do it in a nice way so it can be look मतलब वो अच्छा दिखेगा लास्ट में. Then take another empty slide, drag that down for your hair color and eyebrows. ये अपनी last slide होगी. आफ्टर कलरिंग आवर हेयर वी हैव टू डू द आईब्रोज। उसके लिए अपने को फेस कलर वाली स्लाइड ऑफ कर देनी है, हाइड कर देनी है। एंड फॉर द आईब्रोज टेक द थिनेस्ट सेट ऑफ ब्रश। आपको एकदम परफेक्ट आईब्रोज ड्रॉ नहीं करने जैसे पिक्चर में है, यू जस्ट हैव टू ड्रॉ द आईब्रो शेप, देन विल टेक द इरेजर एंड रब इट एंड गिव इट अ शेप। Then draw the details if you are wearing any accessories, earrings and all. Then go to the slide option, unhide all the slides and hide the bottom one, the last one, the one with our real image. Hide that and we are done. Then click on the check button, save our image and tada, we are done. This is the final image.
Yeah, we are done. I hope you like it. I hope you understand. It's a little bit confusing. Send me a picture on Instagram if you make one. I'll post it on my story. Yes, please do like, share as much as you can and subscribe and hit that bell icon so whenever I post a video you'll get a notification. Bye. See you in the next video.